Hello friends, it is so rare that we read extracts from the novel that would further encourage us to read the entire novel. The present excerpt is The Shoemaker is from A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens, who was born in England and his father was imprisoned when Charles was just 12, that he had to work at a very tender age. He experienced the pain of poverty, and this helped him become the voice of the poor and working class. Some of his popular books are David Copperfield, Oliver Twist, A Christmas Carol, and A Tale of Two Cities. Well, the present excerpt, The Shoemaker, is from the novel A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. It is an emotional extract that shows the effect of imprisonment can have on a person. In this one, Jervis Lorry and Lucy Mennett encounter Lucy's father, Dr. Mennett, who has just been freed after spending 18 years in the prison. He has no money for his family and he has no memory of his former life as a doctor. Dr. Mennett now calls himself a shoemaker because that is what he was taught to do in the prison. The extract therefore gets the title, The Shoemaker. His mind is fixed on one thing, detached from the worldly obligations. He is lost, yet somehow extremely focused on the job that he needs to be done, that is, shoemaking. He is withered in the agony of the harrowing time he spent in prison. He doesn't have the foggiest idea that he is a free man now and that shoemaking is not his duty anymore, that he won't get whipped or yelled at for not doing it sincerely. Still, he is found working consistently as if these shoes are the only remnants of his lost identity. After all, this man was burned alive for 18 years in the prison. When asked his name, he reacts, 105 North Tower. Unfortunately, he can only think and link himself with the number of prison cells. How the people in power drag the innocents to the shore of vulnerability is vividly depicted in the story through the mental trauma of Dr. Mennett. The story also describes a daughter's anxiety about meeting her father for the first time. The book Ace with Astor is available on Pearson's app on Google Play and the novel A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens on Amazon. And this was it guys. If you liked the video, please hit to the like and subscribe icons. Thank you.